leads to a goal. Dream and vision determine the direction of effort and the preference of resources at our disposal. Our vision is to make Velangani Public School Senior Secondary one of the best schools in our country by providing excellent academic facilities and nurturing our students into responsible citizens. A pleasant and hearty evening to all present today. It is indeed a special occasion and your esteemed presence enhances its significance. I extend a cordial welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Kalyanandi Sachitanandam, for gracing the occasion with her being presence. A warm welcome to our correspondent, Mrs. Jnana Sigamani ma'am, our Administrative Director, Mr. Ravidurai Singh sir, Member of the Management, Mrs. Arpuda Mary ma'am, esteemed guests, our principals, Mrs. Clara and Mrs. Prabha ma'am, our dear parents, faculty members, and my loved students. In memory of our founder father, Mr. Santana Muthu, it is my honor to initiate the annual day ceremony. It is my immense pleasure and great honor to present the annual report of a prestigious institution, Velangani Public School Senior Secondary, which is situated in an inspiring and refreshing environment. We proudly educate nearly 1,216 students from classes 1 to 12. Our marvelous infrastructure, majestically constructed buildings with spacious and ventilated classrooms, fully equipped laboratories for all subjects, and a library enriched with plenty of valuable books are the highlights of our institution. With the integration of Tata Classic Smart Class classes, learning has become more interactive and engaging experience. Our music department nurtures young talents through instruments such as the keyboard, guitar, drums, and vocals. Our school choir consistently delivers impressive performance. The quality of life is determined by its activities and the skills we develop. We collaborating with Techno School Academy to launch a robotics and STEM lab. This initiative aims to provide hands-on experience in automation, engineering and programming, equipping students with 21st century skills. Census boards are implemented for upgrading the level of education. Our school offers outstanding sports facilities including a basketball court, tennis court, badminton court, football field, skating rink and an attractive kids play area. Today, we celebrate our annual day which will exhibit the talents of our young minds and the achievers of our schools in the academic year 2024-25. Here are the glances of our achievements. Many celebrations and competitions were organized in our school to expertise the students in various fields from April 2024 to 2025. World Earth Day, International Yoga Day, Karmaveer Kamaraja's birth anniversary, Pi Approximation Day, school leadership elections to select SPL, ASPL, house captains, vice captains, class monitors and champions. Inter-school Independence Day competition, Independence Day celebration, Children's Day, Christmas celebration, Pongal, the Harvest Festival and the Republic Day. Through the celebrations, students will gain the knowledge about our culture and tradition. It's the teacher who makes the change, not the mere classroom. A workshop on financial literacy was conducted for teachers. Our teachers are attending CBP, that is Capacity Building Program for 50 years to enhance their teaching skills and professional development. The philosophy of a school in one generation will be the philosophy of the government in the next. Academic excellence remains our top priority. We take pride in the remarkable achievements of our students. I am here proud to say that Bhavana K, a former student of our school, is currently pursuing medicine at Government Medical College in Virudhunagar. Our Class 12 academic toppers. Sai Prasanna Varshini P, recognized for her obedience, discipline, and exemplary behavior, secured the first place with a score of 460 out of 500. Nivedika M secured the second place with a score of 457 out of 500. Sriram J in the third place with a score of 455 out of 500. Class 10 board results for the academic year 2023-24. Our students excelled with perfect scores, showcasing outstanding academic performance. Class 10 top marks achievers are Hema Varsha S in the first place with a score of 457 out of 500. Charan D in the second place with a score of 447 out of 500. Banashri and Hemnath H in the third place with a score of 445 out of 500. Congratulations to the academic champions. Scouts and Guides and Road Safety Patrol teams are actively functioning. On April 25th and 26th, Jeevan and Kishore of Class 12, Sanjay of Class 11 and Clarine of Class 8 participated in a Rover Scout camp at Bhavan's Rajaji Vidyashram, Keel Park. Our well-trained band team adds grandeur to our school events. Our school Scouts and Guides students as well as leaders participated in Jamboree, All India National Meet for Scouts and Guides organized by Tamil Nadu government from January 27 to February 4, 2025. We are proudly conveying that our campus was selected for CBSE South Zone 1 Judo Tournament. Many schools participated in the tournament which was conducted on 28th to 22nd September 2024. Our achievers are Madhumita AV of Class 11 achieved a bronze medal in Judo national level. Varshan Kumar S of Class 5 secured 4th place in skating in national level. Our South Zone winners of 2024-25. Varshan Kumar S of Class 5 achieved silver medal in skating. Eric Finance B of Class 11 achieved silver medal in boxing. And Tarun Vaibhav U of Class 7 achieved bronze medal in boxing. Our gold medal winners of South Zone Judo Tournament are Madhumita AV of Class 11, Naveen Kumar K of Class 11 and Lokesh AD of Class 12. Our silver medal winners of our South Zone Judo Tournament are Ajay Krishna A of Class 6, Aradhya M of Class 6, Jay Krishna of Class 7 and Dakshan KN of Class 7. Our bronze medal winners of South Zone Judo Tournament, Vijay Krishna A of Class 6, Amirunisa N of Class 7, Darsha A of Class 11. Congratulations to all the sports champions. What sculpture is to a block marble, education is to a human being. J. Anderson. Education is the key to meet life's challenges. I sincerely thank the Almighty for His continuous protection and guidance. A heartfelt thanks to our parents who have been the backbone of our success throughout these years. May the Lord shower His abundant blessings upon each of you for being a part of our Velangani family. Thank you one and all.